This 270-watt flex power supply is specifically designed for Synology NAS systems with multiple drive bays. Built with high-quality components, it provides reliable power delivery that matches or exceeds your original outdated OEM unit's performance. This replacement power supply includes all necessary connectors, including the standard 24-pin motherboard connection, plus both 12-pin and 8-pin Synology proprietary connectors. This ensures complete compatibility with your existing system setup. Installation is simple and straightforward since this unit serves as a direct plug-and-play replacement for your original power supply. No modifications or additional parts are needed. You get the same dependable power output as the original unit, but at a much lower cost than expensive OEM replacements. Each power supply is guaranteed to work with all compatible Synology models listed in our compatibility guide. Be sure to check the compatibility list before ordering to confirm it will work perfectly with your specific NAS model.